This video is brought to you by Extra. Go to metkevin.com/extra. Hey everyone, me Kevin here. Oh my goodness, Shiba Inu has over doubled since we last made a video on Shiba Inu, and holy smokes, folks, this is absolutely incredible. Take a look at CoinMarketCap right now. Shiba Inu coming in at a 138% 7-day return, the #1 coin on CoinMarketCap for a 7-day return. Absolutely incredible. Presently sitting up 42% at 67.16. This is a massive movement from where we've previously been trading. In fact, if we jump on over to Webull, take a look at the growth that Shiba Inu has had here. It has been explosive, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly, or break down exactly why we're seeing this explosion, what's happening, why is it happening, and can this trend continue? First, it's important to know that in just as recently as September, SHIB was trading for 675. Now, note this is a decimal position of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading zeros. 1, 2, 3. You gotta look really closely there. 5 leading zeros after the decimal there, and then 675. So we like to call this in hundreds. So 67.50 was where SHIB was trading in just September. SHIB recently then ran up to about 2,800, did vacillate up to about 35 and back to 28. You can see here SHIB really danced around this 28 level. In fact, if we draw a horizontal line around 2750, you're going to see a lot of action rubber banding across this line right here. This is really where SHIB danced, was around 2800. This 2800 level will also act, in my opinion, as a very strong level of support in the event that SHIB does try to come back down. Now, SHIB did explode starting on the 23rd. We started seeing SHIB trend again. And we've now seen SHIB run all the way up to 6,822. This is incredible. Some market orders here on Webull have apparently gone in for as high as 8,100 for SHIB. Really incredible. Now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a candlestick high of about 6,600. I'm going to drop that down to our lows about that 2,750 support. And this should give us a little bit of guidance in terms of where we might start seeing some resistance again for SHIB. It looks like somewhere around 9,000 and 13,000 we might start running into a little bit of resistance again for the SHIB. Now, in the meantime, folks, why is this happening? Why is SHIB going to the moon? Well, the biggest reason right now, and it's very evident when we search for it in trends, which right now, if you just look at Shiba on a worldwide trend search in the last 30 days, we've clearly hit a peak once before on October 7th. This was when I also was invited to a San Diego news station to go on live television, primetime television, to talk about Shiba Inu. This was the last time we were trending so well, but now we are at a relative worldwide strength that rivals the previous peak at 98 is our relative strength here. The highest interest by country is actually Turkey, followed by Slovenia, Cyprus, and then the United States and the Netherlands. And take a look at this, folks. The trending searches right now are Shiba Inu, Robinhood listing, and where can I buy Shiba Inu? This where can I buy Shiba Inu is possibly also because a lot of folks are frustrated that Coinbase is having issues with individuals trying to buy Shiba Inu. Coinbase is citing an increase in demand for miners and issues with basically their systems being able to keep up with Shiba Inu transactions. It all sounds like an excuse to me. I'm tired of brokers not being able to keep it up. I have to keep things up, and you know what? I fulfill my obligations. Apparently, Coinbase can't handle it. And Robinhood can't seem to even get started here by including Shiba Inu. They would be very smart to include Shiba Inu, especially after the disaster of earnings they had yesterday with a decline, a surprise decline in user growth. Well, maybe they wouldn't be declining if they would just get what the people want on their platform. Now, before I talk about two very important things, especially who's now buying into Shiba Inu, and now back to the latest updates on what we're doing and who's buying SHIB. Us, the people, are kindly requesting Robinhood accept Shiba Inu trades. take a look at this. This is a change.org petition. We're currently at 350,000 signatures. The goal of this petition is to get to 500,000. This is not my petition, but I am supporting it. If you go to metkevin.com/change, I don't get anything for this. I just want to help. Go to metkevin.com/change, sign the petition, drop in your name, first name, last name, email. I've done many of these change petitions. They don't spam you, at least that I'm aware of, and they're join the petition. Get in on the petition. Be a part of Shiba Inu history and be a part of the army. So, folks, what else? Like, why is Shiba Inu running? Well, one, the anticipation that people on Robinhood will be able to buy it. That anticipation is leading to this large run. On top of that, we have the Wall Street Journal, talk about peak media, okay? The Wall Street Journal and CNN talking about Shiba Inu potentially taking over Dogecoin in market cap, folks. That is huge. That would make Shiba Inu the largest dog coin. And I'll tell you, folks, if there's any competition in life, it is between dogs, okay? People want to see Shiba Inu win. Now, why do people want to see Shiba Inu win so much? Well, right now, Dogecoin is at number 10 with a market cap of $32.36 billion. Shiba Inu, that's Dogecoin. Shiba Inu is at number 11 at $26.43 billion. So we've got a little bit to go here. In fact, for us to get to this level, let's see, 26, we need to get to 3236 divided by 2643. We need to get another increase of about 24%. So if we could just have another day like today, tomorrow, we are going to kick Dogecoin in the butt. Now, why is that so important? Well, remember, folks, Dogecoin, the little dog that's on the icon right there for Dogecoin, that is a Shiba Inu dog. Now, Dogecoin was created as a copy of Bitcoin with some minor modifications. They copied the blockchain and the technology, and they made a new coin called the Dogecoin and slapped a picture of a Shiba Inu on it. It was designed as a complete joke. Now, that means it's kind of been left with some higher fees and less functionality. Now, I'm not trying to bag on Doge. I supported the Doge movement. I still support Doge. I don't own Doge, though. I'm just going to be transparent here. Now, when it comes to Shiba Inu was created on the Ethereum network. And the beautiful thing about this is it supports smart contracts. Now, I was a little frustrated about how the whole Shiboshis were first launched. There should have been some more transparency, but I learned a lot going through my experience failing to get a Shiboshi, which a Shiboshi is, of course, Shiba Inu's NFT. And folks, this is OpenSea. There is a verified listing for the Shiboshis. Make sure you check for the one with the checkbox, not the copies or the other misleading ones. Go to the Shiboshis. Take a look at this. Right now, we've got a floor price of about 1.339 ETH. We've got about 10,000 items here for sale. If we take a look at some of the activity here, we could see volumes and average prices here. We're seeing average prices somewhere around 1.52 ETH right now, and we've been relatively stable just above 1.5 ETH. These right here are some of the Shiboshis. We can take a look over here and we can go to recently sold. And this gives you an idea of some that have recently sold. So we've got various different Shiboshis here. Some of them are named, some are not. For example, here's one that's the Hook. Here's Elon Floki. And you can jump on over, for example, to this one. This one's well, this one's not named. It's 6,500. You've got over here, you've got this one named FUD. Has had an offer here of about $4,200, just to give you an idea for the ownership of one of these Shiboshis. Now, another big piece of news is the fact that the people buying or at least transacting in Shiba Inu right now have potential institutional connections. In fact, according to Nansen, a blockchain data firm, about 160 million USD in smart money has gone into Shiba Inu in just the last 7 days. That's a big number, folks. And according to Sentiment, one of the leading crypto analytics firms, SHIB whales are moving the digital asset in very large amounts. Transactions worth at least $1 million have been skyrocketing since the beginning of October. Shiba Inu is also trending in China, even though it's technically banned in China right now, which is pretty incredible as well. But the point is, it's so popular, potentially because of the hope around Robinhood including it, potentially around the hope that it's going to bypass Dogecoin, or because of the staking yields that you can get, that basically Shiba Inu is running like crazy. Now, if you're not familiar with staking, you can go over to the Shiba Swap website where you can connect your wallet and you can stake tokens. You could either stake, in other words, Berry, SHIB, Leash, or Bone. No matter which of the 3 tokens in this system, in the Shiba Inu platform, no matter which of the 3 you bury, you will get some form of Bone dividend for staking. And it's also worth noting that you can withdraw 1/3 of what you've staked, but the other 2/3 stays locked up for 6 months to support the network. But in exchange for that, you get a yield. Now, we do expect these yields to come down. They're excessively high right now, likely because of transaction volume, but we expect this to come down. Now, what's crazy is almost all cryptos are down today, except for Shiba Inu. We haven't covered this yet, but take a look at some of the other charts right here, or at least look at CoinMarketCap here. Bitcoin down 4.9%, Ethereum down 4%, Cardano's down 8.1%, Solana's down 7.23%, USD Coin, Dogecoin, you name it, they're all down right now. Shiba Inu is the one that's really doing well right now. So this gives you a little bit of an update on Shiba Inu. Now, what do I think? Can this trend continue? Absolutely, the trend can continue. Usually when we get to the Wall Street Journal, when we get to peak hope or peak sort of excitement, it is possible that we could see Shiba Inu rotate to a lower support. If we look at Fibonacci, we might be able to see that in the lower 50s, dropping from about 66. We're hoping, though, that SHIB can get to the sort of the next decade, or the next 10x on the decimal place, and break 10,000. That would be pretty incredible, since right now we're trading at about 66. And if that happens, we will be passing Dogecoin, which would be phenomenal. We would take the place as the 10th largest cryptocurrency, which once you're top 10, it's a pretty big deal. It gets hard to dethrone other coins from top 10. Now, again, I highly, highly recommend, if you're going to trade this, if you're buy and hodling this, well, if you're buy and hodling this, trend doesn't matter so much. But if you are trading Shiba Inu right now, I highly, highly, highly encourage you, pay attention to the trend. The trend is your friend. We have seen Shiba Inu trade completely sideways as soon as social media attention has evaporated. It's worth noting that it didn't actually fall much, though. It went to a high of about 3,500, fell to about 2,800, stayed at 2,800 for a consistent period of time while we had lower search trends. Now trends are blowing up again. You're sort of in this social media movement right now, but again, also driven by mainstream media. Remember, CNN, Wall Street Journal, Bloomberg, Barron's, when they start covering SHIB, it's a really good sign of attention to the coin, but sometimes it's also a potential signal that you might be getting to peak media. So just be careful. In the event that we hit peak media, it is possible we could see a rotation to the downside in Shiba Inu. However, as long as positive catalysts continue on the horizon, I expect good things for Shiba Inu. If we get a Robinhood listing, I do expect there will be some form of buy the rumor, sell the news. Trading, however, we could see some new hodlers enter the market to at least minimize or offset that sort of buy the rumor, sell the news pain. Now, is SHIB $1 possible? Well, folks, for SHIB to be $1, Shiba Inu would have to have a massive move. And the way we can calculate this is actually quite simple. So all what we're going to do is we're going to jump over here, see Shiba Inu at the bottom there at number 11. We're going to take that market cap of $28.91 billion. Okay, we're going to take that number and we're going to take the price of SHIB right now. We're going to divide $1 divided by 0.0000672. 4 zeros after the decimal. Then that is 14,766. Then we are going to multiply that number by the market cap of Shiba Inu right now of $26.43 billion. And Shiba Inu would then be valued at about $390 billion. Is that possible? Well, take a look at here. If we go to the market caps of various different coins, you'll see that Ethereum is trading for $471 billion. So if Shiba Inu went to $1 with a $390 billion market cap, we'd be sitting at the number 3 coin, and we would be one of the most popular cryptocurrencies that has ever existed, and we'd only be 1/3 the market cap of Bitcoin. But folks, we're going to have to convince a lot of people to get to that level. In the meantime, thank you so very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. And check out those programs down below before that coupon code expires. Thanks. Bye.